Little storyteller.
Percy Penguin waddled onto the sparkly ice rink. He wore a smart bow tie and held a shiny clipboard. The audience cheered. Percy was not skating today. He was a judge. First to skate was Fiona the fox. She twirled and leaped with grace. Her red fur swished like a ribbon. Percy watched carefully. He tapped his beak on his clipboard. "That performance was fantastic," he announced. The audience giggled. Percy gave Fiona a score of 10. Next was Boris the bear. He was big and fluffy. Boris tried his best to glide smoothly. He wobbled a little, but he didn't fall. Percy smiled kindly. "That was really good," he declared. More giggles from the crowd. Boris got a 9. Last to skate was Lily the lamb. Her wool was as white as snow. She did a little hop and a spin. She looked a bit nervous. Percy gave Lily a warm smile. "That was absolutely off the scale," he exclaimed. The audience chuckled again. Lily beamed. She also got a 10. Fiona, Boris, and Lily all stood together. Percy announced that everyone skated so well, they were all winners. They all cheered and hugged. Percy then said, "Did you know that penguins are very good swimmers? Just like learning to swim takes practice, learning to skate takes practice too. Keep trying, and you'll do great." Everyone smiled. It was a happy day on the ice.
Please subscribe. Thank you.